Okay, here is going to be the tutorial for how to change your settings and your format for if you're using Google Docs for your paragraph. So here I have placeholder paragraph. I'm assuming if you're using Google Docs to type up your rough draft that it's in the default settings like this, which is Arial. So let's go ahead and start by changing our font. Highlight everything. Go up here to this A that's underlined in the top right corner. So first things first, it'll have you start on text, go to font, and scroll down till you see Times New Roman. Not as much scrolling as with Microsoft Word, that's for sure. Click back, change the size to 12 point. Next up, over here on paragraph, next to text, if you see their line spacing, click the up arrow until it says 2.00 because that's double spaced. So next up, let's go ahead and get our header out of the way. So enter there. Start by first and last name. So we're going to use our example name, Sally Student. Next up is the name of your instructor, so Miss Herman. Next up is the name of the course, which you can use English Language Arts. I think it's easiest to just say ELA in all caps, 7. Finally, the date that the assignment is due, which is written in kind of a specific way. So first you start with the actual day of the month, and then the month. And then finally, the year, written out fully. So next up, let's go ahead and get our title out of the way, which centered by up here at top where it has these lines that are formatted stuck to the left side. If you go to the middle one, you want to center this. So remember, when you're titling yours, you want to title it as whichever specific theme or whichever specific character you are talking about in your paragraph, and then followed by in the outsiders. So if you are, say, writing about the theme of growing up, it would be growing up in the outsiders. Or if you were writing about Soda Pop Curtis, it would be Soda Pop Curtis in the outsiders. And of course, always with MLA, you are italicizing the name of the book. So up here with the slanted I. And then finally, all that's left to do is indent the first line of your paragraph. So this will look slightly different for you, but you all just need to press Tab. And there you have it. Remember, if you are using Microsoft Word to type yours out, you need to look at that tutorial because it has very different settings.